got a wild one here. Hey, all right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here, come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Please.
Hey, there he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it easy,
Are you about to
pal.
kiss that guy or
Take it
punch
easy,
him?
huh?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you. These bastards. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools. Come on, calm down. Come on. You're going to win that joint. Son of a bitch.
Who are you fools, huh?
Ain't there no man in this saloon? Come on, hit me! What the hell's going on down here? No, Tommy, stay out of this!
Come here, you little greaser.
Oh, that's it!
Yeah, like that. Cheers, you son of a bitch. You bum.
Arthur, give Javier a hand over there!
You want some too, huh? Come on, pretty boy.
Pretty boy, you're kidding me. Pretty boy? Yeah, you got him now.
What you scared of?
Yeah. You must be the village. You okay there, Arthur?
Yeah. I got this son of a bitch.
Kill him, Tommy! Yeah. You're even slower than you look.
I hope you... Try that again.
Yeah. Smash his face, Tommy! All right. Don't go easy on him. Knock his head off.
Hey, come on, stop that! Stop! Stop! Please, please, I beg you, stop. Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you. Sir? Sir, you all right?
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about.
Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well, quite well indeed. I went to Blackwater looking for you gentlemen. You're not very popular there, it seems. Ah, Javier and Charles. I've missed you. And Bill looking as well as can be. Gentlemen, always a pleasure.
You're right. We ain't too popular in Blackwater.
We left a lot of money there.
And young Sean, it seems.
Sean, you found him.
Yes, I have. He's being held by some bounty.
Give a fella
You
a nickel.
blind and dumb.
Give me a dime. Give me something. want to get a drink. I'm parched. Give a fella a nickel. Ain't nobody got a heart. You good-for-nothing cheating bastard!
I ain't hearing no more of this. I won that game fair and square.
Shit, fair and square my ass!
Bert, fair.
Well, why don't you let your pistol be talking? What's got Manny?
Mister.
It's okay.
Come on, Jack. Read for me this. Mama. We're all hungry, son. Just try reading. Later.
Arthur. Dutch,
Okay.
I need you to do me a favor. Nothing too serious. I need you to help Herr Strauss.
I've been working hard, Dutch.
I know. And I know Strauss's business is not too glamorous, but it pays. Please, son, for me.
Okay.
Please, come on. You brought me in. Help me.
You got some speaking to do of your own. Not that old gang of yours.
I said, I told you, I don't know nothing.
That's what I thought.
Whoa! Hold your horses there. It seems the cat has got our friend here's tongue. I was thinking Mr. Williamson could have a word.
Ready to talk, boy?
I told you, mister. I told all of you. I don't know nothing, okay? They ain't no friends of mine. I just been ridden with them for a while.
Horseshit! You see, we heard that part, so how about you tell the truth? Dutch, what do you want me to do?
Hurt him, so the next time he opens his mouth, it is to tell us what is going on. Ah, who am I kidding? One of O'Driscoll's boys couldn't open his mouth, but he'd tell a lie. Screw it. Let's just have some fun. Geld him.
Yeah!
What's he doing? Where's he going?
Oh, don't worry. You're only balls, boy. Just gonna cause you trouble. You know, in Imperial Rome, eunuchs was among the happiest and most loyal of courtiers.
No, you're kidding me, right?
Of course.
You sick bastard! Oh, what do you want from me?
Well, you are gonna talk. The only question is now or after we got these little fellas off.
Okay, listen. I know where O'Driscoll's holed up. And you're right. He don't like you any more than you like him. He's at 6 Point Cabin. I'll take you there. Serious. I don't like him. I mean, I like him even less than I like you, no offense.
Oh, none taken.
Okay then, partner. Why don't you take a few of us up there right now? I got this, Dutch. Should be fun. All right, you. Come on. Let's go.
Gildy.
Let's both hope you ain't trying to trick us, O'Driscoll.
I ain't no O'Driscoll.
You sure as shit was. John, Bill, come here. We got a social call needs making. Where we heading?
Up into the hills behind Valentine. Well, I'll show you.
John, you take this little rattlesnake with you. Any nonsense, kill him. You're gonna pay your buddies our respects.
He taking us to Combs?
That's what he says. Come on.
I'm taking you to him. Look, I'll give you more directions when we're close. But if I know where we are, it's up past Valentine.
All right, I'll lead.
Behind you.
Okay!
Sharing saddle with an O'Driscoll. Who'd have thought?
How many times I gotta say? I ain't an O'Driscoll.
You sure look like one. You smell like... God damn. You smell like one, too.
I smell like horse shit.
That's right. Boy, are you hot. Hi.
Morgan! You got throwing knives in your saddlebag. Dud said that you might... I was asked to give them, and I'm doing you the further courtesy of telling you about it.
Next time you want to give me something, how about you give it to me, instead of hiding it somewhere, hoping the opportunity comes up to mention it?
Last goddamn favor I do you.
Hey! Hey! If I got my bearings, it's over here. Yeah, I know this country. Take this track up through the rocks.
How you holding up, John?
Careful, Morgan. Fine. Still ain't right, but I'm fine.
You damn well should be after all that bed rest.
Hey, all right. Abigail wouldn't let me up. You know her. She won't be reasoned with.
Well, when you was having a failure of reason, hiding behind your woman, we were getting shot at.
And I'd do the same for you, if you was in a bad way.
I hope so. But I fear you don't know how to help anyone. Except in yourself.
You see, O'Driscoll? If this is how he treats his friends, imagine what he does to his enemies.
I got an inkling of what you all do to your enemies when you put those gelding tongs to my parts. Now we go left, road'll take us up and round. Those are the hills. Head for them.
Save your horses, we gotta climb, boys.
You know, you all ain't that different from the O'Driscolls.
What did you just say?
I've been watching you all these weeks, and,
You've been tied to a tree. You don't know nothing about this gang.
yeah, well, I'd say you don't know much about the O'Driscolls. But maybe I know more about you than you know about them. And I know all about them, so...
Tell us then, how are we like those mongrel dogs?
You're outlawed like them. You're out to survive like them. You live rough. You live hard. Fighting the law, nature. You're out for yourselves.
See? This is why you're an O'Driscoll, O'Driscoll. You're out to survive. We're out to live. Free. Combs a sneak thief and a killer. Dutch is more like a teacher.
From where I've been, you just look the same as all. Okay, now cut left up here. We go down the hill into the forest.
We're going in quiet, taking them out as we find them, trying not to set things off. But if we do, we move quick and hard. We settle this like we know how, okay?
Okay by me.
With you, Morgan.
All right, then.
Through the trees here. Hey, we're real close. I'd leave your horses the other side of this clearing.
I'll get my guns off my horse, and I'm ready.
Easy, Bill. Quiet.
This is it. The cabin's just the other side of this hill.
Okay. Off your horses. Let's go.
You gonna get them knives?
I said easy.
Follow me, all right? It ain't far.
We might have shared a horse, but we ain't friends. Remember, I'm watching you. Every moment.
I ain't gonna shop you now, come on. It'd be suicide. You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first.
Jesus Christ. Hey, there, you see?
Okay, get down.
Cabin's in the clearing down there. There'll be a bunch of fellers hiding out there, too.
Are these fellas armed?
Armed, drunk, wary of strangers, yup.
And Colm O'Driscoll?
He'll be holed up in his cabin. Be passed out, booze blind, likely as not.
Hey, over there. Someone's coming.
So, who's gonna tell him we ain't got nothing for the pot?
Oh, let me think. The feller that spooked the game, I reckon.
I'm gonna drain it. I'll catch up.
No, we ain't gonna fall for that. We're gonna wait so you can tell him yourself.
Yeah.
If anyone's actually gonna shoot the messenger, it'd be that mean son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Come on, shake it off.
Come on.
What are we doing about the pisser, Morgan? One by the tree.
Don't
I'm gonna
move.
deal with this first fella.
Okay, go to work. He's down.
Don't you damn move.
Morgan, the next two. What's the plan?
We're waiting.
Keep back where they won't hear us. When I move, you move. Take them out in the distance.
I can do that. What are you waiting for?
Hurry up already.
How about that?
Guess they know we're here. Let's get them.
It's on! We move quick! We move hard!
We catch you unawares.
You're worthless O'Driscoll hides!
We got enough labor.
Clean them up! Clean them out!
Back to the cabin! Let's make a stand!
He weren't lying, that little toad.
Come on, Crawford.
Coming in.
What are you hiding out in the woods for?
Colm O'Driscoll! Where are you?
I'm gonna nail every one of them bastards!
Don't run away from me.
Give up, O'Driscolls! We got you beat!
You getting curled up, you son of a bitch.
We caught him on the drink!
None of them get out of here!
Brother's coming back in the cabin. This is quite a hideout.
Come at me, you Irish bastards!
Nice you're all together at the
Ah!
Come on, then. Oh, come on.
You stay here, you're dead man!
Die, you drunk idiot!
Combs still here?
Hey, he said Combs be in the cabin.
I'll check. You look out here.
Now, what you stashing in here?
What you holding, O'Driscoll?
What you got, O'Driscoll?
You said you was looking for Combs.
Give it up.
You all right?
Sure. Thank you. Colm O'Driscoll. He ain't here. You set us up. Come here!
What?
You set us up.
No, I didn't.
You did. Colm O'Driscoll ain't here!
He was here, I swear. If I was setting you up, I wouldn't have saved your life.
It's a good point, Arthur.
All right, then, go on. Get out of here.
Hey?
I won't kill you.
I didn't set you up.
Get lost.
Get lost.
I'm letting you run away. Now go on. Get out of here.
That's as good as killing me. Out there, without you, Colm O'Driscoll's gonna lose his mind about this.
So?
So I'm one of you now.
Give me a break. All right, then. But I'm warning you.
Oh, hey, I know.
Come on, let's get to camp.
So you got the cash then?
What cash?
Yeah, there's usually some cash in the chimney.
I'll check it. Rest of you boys, get to camp, quick.
See, Arthur? I ain't so bad.
Hey, Bill. You tell Dutch old Kieran ain't worth killing. Just yet.
Right you are.
At least you got something tucked away. Nice and easy. Stay there now. Yeah, it won't take long, girl. That should do us, girl. Yeah. Yep.
Arthur.
Dutch? Miss O'Shea?
Well, feels like we are finally getting back on our feet.
You, find a buyer for them bonds we stole? Okay, kid, let's go.
Whoa!
I rode as fast as I could, didn't stop for nothing.
Yeah, you look like you've been through it.
I'm beat. We finally get off that mountain, then this. Mike just got a crazy side off.
What were you boys doing?
Wait for me! What did you ride off for?
Now, I was saying something. Oh, yeah. You're supposed to be scouting ahead for us.
I kept asking him what we was doing, but he was, "You worry too much, kid. Just some business to attend to, kid. You know how he is."
Yes, I do.
He was half soaked before we even got there. Then we ran into some fellas. One of them Micah knew, drank some more. And this is supposed to be a dry town we're in, too.
And then he shoots one of them. I know how that goes.
Couldn't even tell you quite how. Happened like the strike of a match. The law was on us fast, too. They was ready to strangle me up there and then. But I got away, just about.
You're all right now. We'll take care of it.
So you gonna go get him? I'll come with you.
No, you leave it to me. For now, let's drink some. Forget about Micah.
It was drink that started all this.
We'll just have a couple. Settle you down, then head back, okay?
Okay.
Now, I should warn you. Me and a couple of the other boys, we got in a bit of a fight last time we was here.
What are you doing?
Lady dang near threw me out our shanty last night. Say I've been spending time in the devil's
Folks will
edition.
enjoy eating that.
Well, so it goes.
People really enjoy that. Real good doing business with you.
Let me know how it goes.
Getting quick, folks, before I
So,
eat all these
you were
chocolate.
saying?
What kind of fight?
Oh, nothing big. No, we kept it clean. We're all good. Here we are.
So,
I heard it already.
Howdy.
Evening, sir.
Just one or two, right, Arthur?
Of course, just a drink. No big drama. Can we get a couple beers, please?
I don't want no trouble.
You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Tommy, he's...
He'll be fine. Here, have one for yourself.
Thank you.
Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
of crazy stuff.
Will you shut up?
Will you shut up?
Be quiet, buddy.
Oh, there, dullards. My lord, you men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last...
Listen, buddy. You're a charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to talk business, so could you possibly leave us alone? No offense intended.
Ain't no pleasing some folk. Just trying to be friendly.
Oh. Oh. That's great, partner. Lenny, where are you? Can't find my friend. You know where he went?
I can't say, I'm afraid.
You know which way my friend went?
Sorry, can't help.
Hey, you see my friend anywhere?
Sorry, I don't know.
Seen that feller I was with?
Wrong feller to ask.
Hey, Lenny! What are you doing, kid?
Hello, Arthur.
You know what?
I don't know.
Man, why ain't you never married?
No one would have me. That's the thing, you see, because it... Lenny? Lenny! Get away from me!
Now, slippery.
Lenny!
Come on.
Get down from there!
Hey, you know where Lenny is?
I don't know.
Come here, boy. Come here. Lenny, where are you at? Leave the kid alone, you goddamn animals.
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister! Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
Oh, Lenny! Lenny! Lenny!
How many have you had, pal?
Lenny! You bastard! Lenny, my boy!
Do I look like a Lenny to you?
Lenny, where are you hiding now? There you are, Lenny.
I'm Clyde. You got the wrong fella.
Lenny? Lenny!
Arthur, what are you doing?
You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Shut up. Cheers.
Cheers.
Not you again?
Yeah.
There they are! There they are! Those are the men! I got him!
Here, drummy fool!
Got the bastard!
You'll never take me alive!
You! Stop right now, you drunken fool! I said stop!
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness! Oh, you moron, Morgan. Oh, you moron. Not again. God. Oh. Oh. Every time.